Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about nerve cell. Number 1. A nerve cell is also called a neuron. Number 2. Neurons are the basic units of the nervous system. Number 3. They carry messages in the form of electrical signals. Number 4. A neuron has three main parts: dendrites, cell body and axon. Number 5. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons. Number 6. The cell body contains the nucleus. Number 7. The axon sends messages to other cells. Number 8. Neurons communicate through tiny gaps called synapses. Number 9. Chemical messengers called neurotransmitters help in communication. Number 10. Neurons help us move, think and feel. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.